Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index fell 0.36% last Friday, marking a second straight weekly decline and briefly touching a near 2-month low around 99.39. The main driver was a much weaker than expected US jobs report, with July payrolls falling by 23,000. That sharply reduced expectations for further Fed rate hikes and supported a broader rebound across major non-US currencies. WTI crude climbed above $81 a barrel on Monday, extending gains for a third straight session and reaching a 1-week high. Prices were supported by renewed uncertainty over US-Iran negotiations and the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. Ongoing regional attacks and historically low US strategic oil reserves are also keeping the geopolitical risk premium elevated. Spot gold traded near $4,380 an ounce after a strong rally last week. Prices surged more than 2% on Friday and over 7% across the week, reaching a 7-week high near 4,400. The key catalyst was weaker US employment data, which reduced expectations for another Fed rate hike, pushed Treasury yields lower, and weakened the US dollar. The Japanese yen weakened back beyond 159 per dollar on Monday, giving up part of its recent intervention-driven gains. The currency remains under pressure from wide interest rate differentials, fiscal concerns, and elevated energy import costs. However, the Bank of Japan continues to warn about inflation risks, while weaker US jobs data has reduced expectations for further Fed tightening. The euro climbed above 1.158 last week, reaching its strongest level since mid-June, as a disappointing US jobs report weighed heavily on the dollar. Lower oil prices also helped ease concerns over euro area inflation. Meanwhile, investors remain focused on negotiations surrounding the Strait of Hormuz, while the ECB kept interest rates unchanged at its July meeting.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.